In this video from CountLab, we're taking a quick look at receipt options on your CountLab 7S, 8S or 9S register. In this video I'm using the model 9S, but the options and processes are the same across the range. So in the registration mode you can have the till receipt set to be automatically issuing or off, and then you've also got the option to issue copy receipts or a post receipt on request. So if we take a look at this till, 199 department 1, 199 department 3, we're getting all the information come up on the operator display. Hit subtotal £3.98, £5 cash, so that's a sale process. The drawer opens as normal, but I've got no receipt print out. That's because obviously I've got my receipt set to be off. What I can do is issue a receipt on request, so I can now press receipt issue and it will print out a receipt of the transaction just done. But if you want a receipt to print out with every single transaction, then you simply press the receipt on off button here when you're in the registration mode, obviously, and then that will toggle between receipt off and receipt on. So if we process a sale through now, you can see that I'm getting the receipt print out straight away. What I can do is, if I don't want the receipt issuing with every transaction, I could hit that button again and it would then obviously toggle to off. You can get a copy receipt as well, so if I press receipt issue now, I get a receipt print out and it actually says copy receipt on the receipt. I don't know if there's a limit to how many you can get. Yeah, it's just one. You can get one copy. I suppose why would you want any more than that? So to turn it off, receipt on off. Now it won't work. To turn it back on, just press it once and then with every sale it'll print out. Okay, hope that video has been helpful. We've got plenty more videos showing you how to get the best out of the CountLab 9S and other CountLab registers. Some of those videos will be appearing on screen now, so you're welcome to check those out. You can also subscribe to this YouTube channel or visit countlab.co.uk for more. Thanks for watching.